Musyawarah Binti Azri. In this video, I will talk about what is Bernoulli and apparatus that we use in this experiment. Thank you!
The apparatus that we use in this experiment are straw, ruler, tape, and also the scissors. We use the straw to make the water flow through it. We cut the straw using the scissors to make the water flow through it. Then we use the ruler to measure the dimension of the straw, the radius, the diameter, also the height of the straw. We also use the ruler to measure the height of the water. We use the tape to put together the straw. Then, of course, we use the scissors to cut the tape and straw. Next, we will show how we do the experiment using all of these apparatus.
Let me explain about the data calculation. So let's get started. And this is the Bernoulli equation. It stated that total heat, according to the principle, is constant at any cross section. And the equation of the term are the pressure heat. P per rho G represent P is the fluid static pressure at cross section over rho G. Rho is density of flowing fluid and G is the acceleration due to gravity. Next is the velocity heat equal to velocity squared over 2 gravity. And the third is the vertical elevation. Elevation heat of the center of the cross section with respect to the datum z equal to 0. Those three terms are known as total heat, H, or total energy if those three equations is sum of all. Next, I will explain about how to calculate. To calculate the velocity, we can use the formula square root of 2gh. H is the static heat. For the first straw is 0.079 and the second is 0.11 meter. Next is to calculate the flow rate Q by using formula velocity times area. The diameter for the straw is 0.0025 and the second is 0.0035. And for the velocity heat, just divided velocity squared with the 2 gravity. And lastly, to calculate the total heat by using formula heat static plus with velocity squared over 2 gravity. And this is the output for the data calculation by using all the formula that I have explained before.